And not a creature was stirring. A quiet day on Wall Street. This is Market Action News, and I'm Marshall Moore. And at the closing bell, 1 o'clock Eastern on Wall Street, we're looking at additional records, but mainly a marking time session following the recent run-up 6 days in a row. And we'll take a short pause for Santa Claus. Here's your information. And a little bit of profit taking coming into the closing bell, but the Dow did increase by 6 points at the bell at 18,030.21. The NASDAQ was up 8.05 at 4773.47. Utilities had a good day, outperforming the rest of the market percentage-wise, up 1.7%, and 628.5 was the close on the utility index, up 10.64 for that interest rate sensitive sector. And the Russell also having a fairly decent day this go around for the small caps at 1207 and a fraction, up about 5 points here at the bell. Oil having another down day with supply in surplus. Oil was down at the bell $1.49 at $55.65, a drop of about 2.6% there. Gold settling off $4.50, dropping to below 1,175 at 1,173 and 50 cents the ounce. And let's give you the official on the Dow, up 6.05 at 18,030.21. And we will take a short pause for Santa Claus. Don't never unless you will. Remember, those who do and those who don't do everything everybody else does. More later.